Hi viewers, welcome to another interesting video. Today we will be focusing on the profound strategies of green computing for an energy efficient and a sustainable AI. So without further delay, let's dwell into the topic. As you can see, the world at the current era is becoming increasingly digitalized. With the advancement in technology over time, and along with it, the environmental impact that it poses is also becoming significantly noteworthy. Green computing, which involves designing, manufacturing, using, and disposing of computers and electronic devices in an environmentally friendly manner, has now emerged as a critical field of study and as a potential approach. Artificial intelligence, with its substantial computational requirements, is a significant consumer of energy. The carbon footprint of data centers, the core infrastructure supporting AI, is a growing concern. So, we will now dwell into various approaches on mitigating these impacts, including the use of energy efficient hardware, renewable energy sources, eco friendly data center designs, and responsible AI practices. So, as an overview of green computing, we will now look at what green computing is. So, green computing, as you can see, is the practice of using computing resources efficiently and environmentally responsible. The principles of green computing encompass the entire life cycle of a computing system from design and manufacturing to usage and disposal. The goal is to minimize the environmental footprint of technology. The concept of green computing emerged in the 1992 with the introduction of the Energy Star program by the US Environmental Protection Agency. Since then, the field has evolved significantly with advancements in energy efficient hardware, sustainable software development practices, and innovative cooling solutions for data centers. Today, green computing is a multidisciplinary field that includes aspects of computer science, engineering, environmental science, and economics. Current trends in green computing include the development of low power processors, the adoption of virtualization and cloud computing to optimize resource use, and the implementation of advanced cooling technologies in data centers. Additionally, there is a growing emphasis on the use of renewable energy sources to power computing infrastructure. So now we will look at the AI's environmental impact. So as you can see, artificial intelligence, while offering transformative benefits across various industries, comes with a substantial environmental cost. Training AI models, particularly deep learning models, requires significant computational power, leading to high energy consumption and a considerable carbon footprint. Data centers, which house the servers and hardware necessary for AI operations, are major consumers of electricity. According to a 2016 report by the Natural Resources Defense Council, data centers in the United States consumed about 70 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually, accounting for approximately 1.8% of the country's total energy consumption. The global figures are even more staggering. The environmental impact of AI extends beyond energy consumption. The production and disposal of AI hardware, including GPUs and specialized AI chips, contribute to electronic waste. Moreover, the materials used in these devices, such as rare earth elements, have significant environmental extraction and processing costs. Optimizing AI technology for energy efficiency begins with the hardware. Energy efficient processors and storage solutions can significantly reduce the power requirements of AI systems. For example, companies like Nvidia and AMD are developing GPUs with higher performance per watt, enabling more efficient AI computations. In addition to hardware improvements, developing energy-efficient algorithms is crucial. Traditional AI algorithms can be resource-intensive, but newer approaches aim to reduce computational redundancy. Techniques such as model pruning, quantization, and the use of lightweight neural networks can decrease the energy consumption of AI models without sacrificing performance. Case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of these strategies. For instance, Google's Tensor Processing Units (TPUs) are designed specifically for AI workloads, offering superior performance and energy efficiency compared to traditional CPUs and GPUs. Similarly, Facebook's approach to optimizing its AI models for mobile devices ensures that they run efficiently on hardware with limited power resources. Integrating renewable energy sources into AI operations is a key strategy for reducing the carbon footprint of these technologies. Solar, wind, and hydroelectric power can provide clean energy for data centers and AI computations. Solar energy is particularly promising for data centers located in regions with high solar insolation. Large-scale solar farms can generate significant amounts of electricity which can be used to power AI operations. Additionally, on-site solar panels can provide supplementary power, reducing reliance on grid electricity. Wind energy, with its decreasing costs and increasing efficiency, is another viable option. Wind farms can supply substantial amounts of renewable energy, especially in areas with consistent wind patterns. Hydroelectric power, known for its stability and reliability, can also support AI infrastructure, particularly in regions with abundant water resources. Designing eco-friendly data centers is crucial for sustainable AI operations. This involves optimizing the physical architecture of data centers to enhance natural cooling and reduce energy consumption. Techniques such as free cooling, which uses outside air to cool data centers, and liquid cooling, which uses coolants directly on servers, can significantly improve energy efficiency. Advanced energy management systems that monitor and optimize energy usage in real time are also essential. These systems can dynamically adjust cooling and power settings based on the current load, ensuring efficient energy use. Implementing renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines on site can further reduce the environmental impact of data centers. Examples of green data centers include Microsoft Project Natick, which explores underwater data centers that leverage the natural cooling properties of water, and Google's data centers, which use AI to optimize energy consumption and reduce their carbon footprint. Designing AI systems responsibly involves considering the environmental impact from the outset. Ethical considerations in AI development include minimizing resource use, ensuring data privacy, and avoiding biases in AI models. AI can also be leveraged for environmental management. For example, AI-powered systems can monitor deforestation, track pollution levels, and optimize resource use in agriculture. These applications demonstrate how AI can contribute positively to environmental sustainability. Case studies highlight the potential of responsible AI design. For instance, IBM's Green Horizons project uses AI to predict air quality and optimize renewable energy use in cities. Similarly, AI-driven platforms like Climate AI help farmers make data-driven decisions to enhance crop yields while minimizing environmental impact. A comprehensive approach to green computing involves evaluating or assessing the environmental impact of AI systems throughout their life cycle. This includes the production, usage, and disposal of AI hardware and software. Adopting a circular economy approach emphasizes the reuse and recycling of components. Manufacturers should design AI hardware with recyclability in mind, using materials that can be easily disassembled and repurposed. Sustainable disposal practices such as recycling programs for outdated hardware can significantly reduce electronic waste. Life cycle assessment also involves understanding or comprehending the environmental costs of AI software. This includes the energy consumption of training and deploying AI models, as well as the computational resources required for ongoing operations. Achieving sustainable AI requires collaboration between governments, tech companies, and environmental organizations. Regulatory frameworks can incentivize the adoption of green computing practices, such as mandating the use of renewable energy in data centers or setting standards for energy efficient hardware. Industry collaborations can drive innovation and share best practices. Initiatives like the Green Grid Consortium, which promotes energy efficiency in data centers, and the Partnership on AI, which addresses the ethical and environmental implications of AI, are examples of successful collaborations. Governments can also play a role by funding research into sustainable computing technologies and supporting the deployment of renewable energy infrastructure. Policies that promote green procurement practices and provide tax incentives for energy efficient technologies can accelerate the adoption of sustainable AI solutions. The future of green computing and sustainable AI is promising, with numerous emerging technologies and trends on the horizon. Advances in quantum computing, which promise to perform complex computations with significantly lower energy requirements, could revolutionize the field. Developments in AI-driven energy management systems can further enhance the efficiency of data centers and other AI infrastructure. These systems use machine learning algorithms to predict energy usage patterns and optimize resource allocation in real time. Innovations in hardware design, such as neuromorphic computing, which mimics the energy efficient processes of the human brain, offer potential breakthroughs in reducing the energy consumption of AI systems. Overall, there are a variety of ways in which AI technology can be made more environmentally friendly, and it is important to consider these factors when designing and implementing these systems. Recycled plastic is a material that can be used to create hardware for AI technologies. It is an eco-friendly option as it is made from recycled materials. Bamboo is another material that can be used to create environmentally friendly hardware. hardware for AI technologies. It is a renewable resource and is biodegradable. Bioplastics are plastics that are made from renewable resources such as cornstarch, sugarcane, or potato starch. They are biodegradable and can be used to create eco-friendly hardware for AI technologies. Metal alloys are materials that can be used to create durable and long-lasting hardware for AI technologies. They are recyclable and can be reused multiple times. Wood is a natural material that can be used to create eco-friendly hardware for AI technologies. It is a renewable resource and can be biodegradable depending on the treatment applied to it. In terms of environmentally friendly hardware for AI technologies, here are a few examples. Low power processors. Low power processors are one way to reduce the environmental impact of AI technology. These processors consume less energy, which means they use less electricity and produce fewer carbon emissions. Some examples of low power processors include ARM processors and Intel's Atom processors. Renewable energy servers is another way to reduce the environmental impact of AI technologies, and that is by using servers that run on renewable energy. For example, Google's data centers are powered by renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power. Upcycled hardware comprises of upcycling, that is a process of transforming old or used hardware into new and useful products. Upcycled hardware utilization for AI technologies can reduce electronic waste and minimize the need for new hardware manufacturing. For example, organizations like OpenAI have built machine learning servers using upcycled hardware. Green data centers are designed to be energy efficient and environmentally friendly. They use energy efficient cooling systems, renewable energy sources, and other sustainable technologies to reduce their carbon footprint. For example, Microsoft data centers use cooling systems that rely on outside air rather than energy intensive air conditioning. There are several examples of AI hardware made from environmentally friendly materials. Here are a few. Google's TPU, Tensor Processing Unit, is made using 100% recycled water. Intel's Low-High chip is made using a 14 nanometer process and consumes very little power, making it energy efficient and environmentally friendly. NVIDIA's Jetson Nano Developer Kit is made using a low power consumption Tegra processor and is designed for AI and robotics applications. Raspberry Pi is made using a low power ARM processor and the board is made using recyclable materials. IBM's True North chip is made using a 28 nanometer process and consumes very little power, making it a more environmentally friendly option than traditional processors. These are just a few examples of AI hardware that are made using environmentally friendly materials. There are many more emerging technologies that are designed to be sustainable, energy efficient, and environmentally friendly. Certainly, there are quite a few examples of AI hardware that have been created using natural, recyclable, and biodegradable materials. Some examples include Potato Plastic AI device. This was created by a group of researchers from MIT, and they have developed this AI device that is made of potato plastic, and the device is designed to perform a range of functions including monitoring the environment, collecting data, and detecting toxins. Biodegradable AI sensors was created by a team of scientists from the University of California, and they have created biodegradable sensors that can be used to monitor soil and water quality. These sensors are made of a biodegradable polymer, making them ideal for use in environmental monitoring applications. Eco-friendly AI chips was created by a team of researchers at Stanford University, and they have developed this eco-friendly chip that is made from natural materials such as wood and silk. These chips are biodegradable and can be used for a variety of applications, including environmental monitoring and medical devices. Bamboo AI Devices was created by a team of scientists from the University of Maryland, and they have created a range of AI devices that are made of bamboo. These devices are lightweight, strong, and biodegradable, making them ideal for use in environmental monitoring applications. Mushroom-based AI was created by a group of researchers from the University of Binghamton. Furthermore, when considering renewable energy resources in Sri Lanka benefits from high solar insolation, making solar energy a promising option for powering AI technologies. Current initiatives could be expanded to include solar-powered data centers that significantly reduce the carbon footprint of computational operations. The coastal and highland regions of Sri Lanka present substantial opportunities for wind energy, which can be harnessed to operate AI infrastructure efficiently. As a long-standing source of renewable energy in Sri Lanka, hydropower currently supports a significant portion of the country's energy needs. Adopting this resource for AI operations can ensure stable and sustainable energy inputs. Countries like Germany and Denmark are leaders in integrating renewable energy with AI. For instance, Germany's AI-driven smart grids optimize energy distribution and consumption, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Innovations such as Google's Tensor Processing Units (TPUs) provide high-efficiency computations with reduced energy usage, ideal for environments dependent on renewable sources. AI algorithms can be refined to reduce computational redundancy, minimizing power requirements without compromising performance. Developing modular, scalable solar and wind solutions can facilitate quick deployment and easy integration with existing AI systems. Fostering collaborations between governments and technology firms can accelerate the adoption of renewable energy in AI applications. Establishing clear policies that encourage the use of renewable energy in technological deployments will be crucial for long-term sustainability. Initiatives like the installation of solar panels at Sri Lankan solar-powered data centers have begun to show promise in reducing energy costs and carbon emissions. Internationally, hybrid systems that combine wind and solar power are becoming more prevalent, offering robust and reliable energy supplies for AI technologies. While integrating AI with renewable energy presents challenges such as high initial costs and technological adaptation, it also offers immense opportunities for innovation and environmental preservation. Sri Lanka's geographical positioning near the equator ensures a year-round solar generation capacity. Harnessing this potential through solar farms and rooftop installations could provide a consistent power supply for AI-driven technologies. Initiatives could include solar-powered charging stations for AI-operated autonomous vehicles or solar-driven cooling systems for data centers. The island's wind profiles are favorable, especially in the northern and southwestern coasts. Investment in offshore and onshore wind farms could supplement the national grid or directly power AI infrastructure, thus reducing dependency on traditional power sources and enhancing energy security. Building on its established hydropower sector, which contributes to nearly half of the national energy output, Sri Lanka can integrate AI to optimize water usage and energy production, particularly in remote monitoring and predictive maintenance of hydro facilities. Countries leading in renewable energy adoption offer valuable lessons. For example, Germany's integration of AI in managing its wind energy transition optimizes the balance between production and demand, minimizing energy waste. Similarly, Denmark's AI-powered wind farms use predictive analytics to adjust to wind conditions in real time, maximizing output and longevity of equipment. Energy-efficient hardware like Google's TPUs and AMD's EPYC processors are engineered to deliver maximum performance per watt, ideal for settings where power availability might be limited or must be derived from intermittent renewable sources. Efficient algorithms reduce the computational load. Techniques such as federated learning, where AI models are trained across many decentralized devices, avoid massive data transfers and intensive computations, thereby saving energy. AI can manage energy from scalable sources like microgrids, which can autonomously adjust to changes in energy supply and demand, ensuring efficient use of solar and wind energy. Partnerships are essential for funding and operationalizing large-scale renewable energy projects. These collaborations can leverage private innovation and public incentives to drive the adoption of sustainable practices. Effective policies are crucial to support the integration of AI and renewable energy. Incentives for renewable energy usage, standardized safety protocols for AI operations, and streamlined regulatory approvals can foster a conducive environment for sustainable innovations. Detailing a project where a local telecom company partnered with solar providers to retrofit their data centers, significantly cutting down on diesel consumption and reducing operational costs, is about Sri Lanka's solar-powered data centers. Exploring how a tech giant in California uses a combination of wind, solar, and battery storage to maintain its data centers, ensuring 24/7 operation with nearly zero carbon emissions, is a global approach with wind and solar hybrid systems in AI operations. Integration faces technological challenges such as the need for robust battery storage systems to manage the intermittency of renewable sources. Economically, the high upfront cost of renewable installations can be mitigated by long-term savings and government subsidies. Environmentally, while renewable energies reduce carbon footprints, their manufacturing and disposal processes must also be environmentally friendly. Genetic algorithms are inspired by the process of natural selection, and they can be particularly effective in optimizing the operational efficiency of AI systems with respect to energy consumption by simulating a set of solutions through processes akin to crossover mutation and selection. GS can help design AI frameworks that are not only effective but also significantly more energy efficient. These algorithms are ideal for configuring renewable energy resources in AI data centers to optimize energy consumption dynamically based on load and availability. Parallel processing involves the simultaneous simultaneous execution of multiple computational tasks, aiming to enhance the efficiency and speed of AI computations. This technique can be leveraged in environments where time and energy efficiency are crucial, such as in renewable energy-powered AI operations. Implementing parallel processing in AI operations allows for a reduction in operational times, lower energy consumption, and a more scalable system architecture that can grow with increasing data demands. Hybrid approaches. Hybrid approaches in AI integrate multiple computational strategies and technologies to capitalize on their unique strengths while compensating for their weaknesses. For instance, combining low-power CPUs with powerful GPUs can optimize the energy efficiency of AI systems. This strategy can be particularly effective when supported by renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power to manage fluctuating energy availability and maintain continuous operation without sacrificing performance. A key strategy for sustainable AI deployment involves the direct integration of these advanced computational techniques with renewable energy sources. Sri Lanka, with its rich resources in solar, wind, and hydropower, provides a unique landscape to implement such integrations. AI-driven predictive maintenance can be used to enhance the efficiency of solar panels and wind turbines. Additionally, AI can optimize energy usage and distribution based on predictive algorithms that anticipate energy production fluctuations from renewable sources. Given the high solar insolation in regions like Hambantota and Vavuniya, implementing solar-powered AI data centers can significantly reduce the reliance on fossil fuels. By using AI to manage and optimize energy use, these centers can operate autonomously to adjust cooling and power systems dynamically, enhancing energy efficiency. The coastal regions, particularly in the northern and eastern provinces, can benefit from AI-optimized wind farms. AI can play a crucial role in adjusting the operations of wind turbines in real time based on wind speed and direction forecast, maximizing energy output and reducing wear and tear on the equipment. For hydropower, AI can be used to predict water inflows and optimize dam operations to maximize energy generations during peak demand times. This not only ensures efficient energy use but also helps in managing water resources effectively, which is crucial for an island nation like Sri Lanka. Integrating advanced AI techniques such as genetic algorithms, parallel processing, and hybrid systems with renewable energy sources presents a formidable solution to achieving sustainable AI operations. For Sri Lanka, leveraging these technologies could pave the way for a more sustainable technological future, reducing the environmental footprint of digital expansion while enhancing the efficiency and capability of AI systems across various sectors. In conclusion, optimizing AI technology for energy efficiency and minimal environmental impact requires a holistic approach that combines technological innovation with sustainable practices and ethical considerations. By embracing strategies such as energy-efficient hardware, renewable energy integration, eco-friendly data center design, responsible AI practices, life cycle assessment, and collaborative efforts, the field of AI can contribute positively to environmental sustainability. This comprehensive approach paves the way for a greener and more technologically advanced future. Thank you.